Now on Night Shift, we join ITN at their studios in London for the early morning world news.
Throughout the day, your clothes pick up all sorts of dirt and odours. Ordinary big bottle liquids only get out ordinary dirt and can fade colours. New Radion Colour has a bleach-free cleaning system that tackles tough stains and odours without fading colours, giving a fresh, bright clean. Get more out. Put New Radion Colour in.
To demonstrate the Hoover Turbo Power 1000, we borrowed a few stones. The Hoover Turbo Power 1000's unique AutoSense device turns up the power when it comes across grid, returning to normal power when everything's picked up. So you know that your carpet is clean.
Where would you start if you wanted to make a collection of the world's best rock tracks?
Northumberland accent. If you know who either of them are, ring Crime Stoppers straight away on 0800 555 111. Please ring, even if it's anonymously. Every call counts.
On Wednesday, the Bill have a new house guest.
Where'd you dig him up from?
Oh, he's nice when you get to know him.
Well, I liked his story. Look, we asked to see his HGV licence, and all of a sudden he's been burgled.
The September song reaches its final chorus.
We thought you were in Greece.
What am I supposed to do? He's my friend. When I was really down, he was there for me.
I know. She needs help, but I don't want to leave her, so are you fit enough to drive, Sean?
An accident blows Beth's cover in peak practice.
She hasn't been with a girlfriend at all. That was just a blind.
After the news, highlights from the European Champions League with action from Barcelona and AC Milan. Wednesday evening on ITV.
My husband has been murdered. I've just been to jail. I'm living with a drunk and an Australian.
For Joanna Lumley, times are hard and money is scarce, but someone thinks otherwise.
Maybe we could mug Kate Swift.
We need to get an angle on her. Find a way of pressurizing her.
Even the toughest person has a weak spot.
It could be a rare glimpse of the soft white underbelly of the vicious green viper.
Class Act, Thursday at 9 on ITV.
Welcome now to our Tuesday night shift as the Forum presents soul band The Temptations in concert.
Rejection leaves Billy hurt and alone.
There's lots of empty boarding houses on the lookout for people like me.
Unaware of a true friend's concern.
What am I supposed to do? He's my friend. When I was really down, he was there for me.
The past is all I have left of the past. Perhaps one day we can meet. Love, Grandad.
It's difficult to imagine him doing all those things that your father said he did.
Can Billy bury the past and embrace the future? September Song, Wednesday at 8:30 on ITV.